Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to unlock God Mode on your Windows 11 PC. Start by right-clicking on your desktop and selecting New from the menu. Choose Folder to create a new folder. Rename the folder with the following text. Press Enter to save the name. Your folder will now transform into a control panel icon. Click on it to access a comprehensive list of settings and administrative tools. With God Mode enabled, you'll have quick access to all the tools you need to customize and optimize your Windows 11 experience. God Mode gives you access to an extensive list of settings and administrative tools, all conveniently located in one place. You can also search for tasks in the top right search box. And that's it! You're now ready to take full control of your Windows 11 PC with God Mode. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.